If you are a coach, consultant, or expert running ads right now, you've probably noticed something pretty terrifying, perhaps even scary. Your costs are definitely fluctuating, and your targeting seems completely broken. And the leads that you get are ghosting you. Yep, they're ghosting you. And you are not imagining this. The meta landscape, I'm talking about Facebook Meta here, Facebook ads, the landscape has fundamentally shifted between the Andromeda AI update and the death of organic reach. The old guru playbook, they are officially dead. Most coaches are reacting to this by trying to fix their targeting or get cheaper clicks. But today, I'm going to show you why that is actually destroying your business. I'm going to break down the 3 critical steps you need to make to future-proof your marketing and advertising for 2026. Make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. I have a really cool specific bonus tip regarding your organic content that explains why nobody is seeing your posts anymore. So if you want sustainable growth and that sweet 4x ROI, well then you need to stop building funnels and start building a system. I have another video on that. I'll link to that after this. Let's dive into it. Okay, so step 1. Stop trusting Meta's default settings. I have a video on that as well. Specifically, you need to be very careful with the Advantage Plus and the obsession with cheap leads. Don't trust Facebook here. Here's the counterintuitive truth that nobody tells you. Cheap leads are usually the worst thing that can happen to you, and especially for the ad account. See, when you let Meta use Advantage Plus, it overrides your control. It hunts for the cheapest impressions. Really, if you think about it, who is the cheapest audience to reach? Usually, it's low-quality bots or people who will never buy high-ticket coaching. So, here is the action. Stop optimizing for the lowest cost per click. Monitor your CPM, which is your cost per 1,000 impressions. And this is not the only metric, but certainly if you see that your CPMs are dropping too low, Meta is likely dumping your ad into a junk part of the internet. You need to really consider killing those ads immediately. As I said, there's other metrics here, but that's one. So you want quality eyes, not cheap eyes, right? Step number 2 is a mindset shift. You need to stop marketing only to the emergency room, if you will. Here's the reality of the market right now. At any given moment, only 3 to 5% of your audience is in urgent pain and ready to buy at this very moment. And this is what we call the red ocean. It's full of sharks because every coach, consultant, expert, author, therapist is fighting for these same few people with high pressure sales tactics. If your entire strategy is click here to fix your problem today, then yeah, you are ignoring the 97% of your market. But these are the blue ocean buyers. They have the problem too, but they are just delaying the action or the decision right now. They need more time. They need to trust you. And if you ignore them, well, you've hit a revenue ceiling. So to scale next year, you must stop treating everyone like an emergency case and start nurturing the majority who will buy later. This leads us to the most important step. Step 3. Replace your funnel with a system. Since precise targeting is dead thanks to AI and privacy concerns and changes, you cannot just target specific interests anymore. I was on a call today with a lady who struggled with this. You have to build an audience of your own. It's about the audience. So the strategy is simple. Instead of one desperate ad asking for a sale, you run a content-based sort of micro mini ads to your blue ocean audience. And you share value here, of course. You build authority. You demonstrate expertise before you ask for the proverbial hand in marriage. And when you do this, you warm up and build the relationship. You're nurturing it. By the time they book a call, well, they're not a cold lead anymore asking for, hey, how much is it? They're ultimately a warm fan at this point asking, hey, when can we start and where do I pay? This is how you unlock that, 4x, 5x ROI while your competitors are still fighting over scraps. Now, here's the bonus tip that I promised. You might be thinking, well, I can do a lot of this with organic content, right? Well, the answer is no. Organic reach on Facebook, as you probably know, LinkedIn and so many others, including Instagram, is simply collapsing. The data shows that relying on organic reach or cold LinkedIn DMs, they're battling a dead channel in a saturated market. Paid meta ads is a fantastic way to do this, along with YouTube actually, to scale and build your system efficiently. I'm talking about that ecosystem. So if you rely on free reach, you are simply invisible. In the next year, 2026, it's going to be the year of systems. The coaches who rely on cheap clicks and urgent sales will disappear. The coaches who build trust and quality audiences on Meta, well, you will dominate. That is you. So if you're tired of the ad roller coaster and want to install this system approach into your business, I want to help. We have an agency as well, and I'm offering a free 15-minute consultation to review your current ad strategy and your settings and map out what a system would look like for your specific offer. If you'd like, click the link below and let's fix your strategy and make next year your record year, what we call a banner year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-level coaching insights. I love making these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.